Good morning, students. This is Kanak Rastogi. Today I will start chapter number 5, Health, Diseases and Hygiene. Diseases are two types, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. First of all, I discuss communicable diseases. Today, Sam's friend has bought a new racing car and they are very excited to play with it. What do you think Sam and his friend are sharing with each other? Sam and his friend, other than the toy, are sharing germs with each other. In this manner, Sam has got infected by the germs. These diseases are known as communicable diseases. A communicable disease is a disease which can be passed from one person to another is known as communicable diseases. Another is known as communicable disease, common cold, malaria, chickenpox, tuberculosis and measles are examples of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are caused by germs such as viruses, bacteria, fungi and protozoa. Now that you know what causes communicable diseases, can you think how they are spread? Discuss in class. Spread of communicable diseases. Let us see how the communicable diseases are spread. Communicable diseases mostly are spread infected food and water. Infected or real person through air, through insects, through damaged skin. Let us now understand in detail how communicable diseases are spread. Communicable diseases spread through infected food and water. Flies or other insects carry harmful germs with them. When they come in contact with the food or water, they infect it. If food and water are not stored properly and left open, then household pests like flies, cockroaches, rats, and lizards can contaminate them with germs. When anybody consumes such infected food or water, that person contracts the disease and falls ill. Ringworm, chickenpox, measles, and common cold are spread like this. The germs causing communicable diseases also spread through air, coughing, sneezing, or spitting in public release germs into the air and then they are spread to other common cold. Flu, measles, and viral fever are usually spread through air. Mosquitoes, fleas, and flies feed on human blood. In the process, they deposit the germs that they are carrying. Due to insect bites, diseases like malaria, dengue, and chickenpox are spread. Also, if you handle food and water with dirty hands, then the dirt from your hands can contaminate the food or water. Diarrhea, jaundice, cholera, and typhoid are spread by consuming contaminated food. The skin is the protection that we wear. Any wound, nick, or other damage on the skin exposes our inner body to germs and diseases. Preventive measures. Let's look at the preventive measures to control the spread of communicable diseases. Take steps to stop the breeding of insects and other pests by spraying where pests might breed. Also seal holes and cracks around the house with cement or plaster. Keep the house, bathroom, kitchen and surroundings clean. Keep yourself. Clean and wash your hands before eating food. Maintain personal hygiene. Store food and water in clean places and keep them covered all the time. Boil water and milk to kill the germs present in it before consumption. Keep garbage in closed bins and dispose them regularly. Get vaccinated whenever necessary. A vaccine increases the body's ability to fight the germs of specific disease. Now, number second, non-communicable diseases are all the disease caused through the spread of communicable germs. Some diseases are also caused due to deficiency or weakness of body parts. These diseases are called non-communicable diseases. Some non-communicable diseases are also spread to smoking, drinking, and air pollution. Common communicable diseases. Here are some common communicable diseases. Click on each of them to learn more about it. ये आपको सबको लर्न रखना है अच्छे से. फ्लू का जर्म क्या है, वायरस, ये कॉज क्या है इनकी, सब लर्न करना है. ऐसे मलेरिया और जर्म प्रोटोजोआ, कॉज क्या है और सिम्टम्स क्या है इनके. ऐसे टाइफाइड जर्म बैक्टीरिया, कॉज एंड सिम्टम्स क्या होता है, सिम्टम्स क्या है, हाई फीवर वगैरह आता है. ट्यूबरक्लोसिस जर्म बैक्टीरिया, कॉज थ्रोयर. Summary. Let diseases. Recap what we have learned. Click any node to review the details about it. Communicable diseases. Causes, transmission mode, steps for prevention. Virus, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. Transmission mode. Spreads for person to person through air.